Offering envelope printing is an excellent way to unleash more application versatility. Running envelopes on a Versant is easy, with no fuser change, and simple feeding options for envelopes of different shapes and sizes. Xerox Versant presses feature a compact belt fuser designed to ensure exceptional output, reducing the likelihood of wrinkling. Our presses have a larger nip area for better contact with the paper during the fusing process, letting you unlock unique media, such as envelopes. For best results, we recommend using standard size envelopes, but you do have the ability to run other sizes. We also recommend you use envelopes designed for digital presses. Let's take a closer look. When printing envelopes, you have two options: feeding from the multi-sheet inserter, also called the bypass tray, or from one of the advanced high-capacity feeder trays using the provided bracket or the envelope support kit. Let's look at installing the necessary brackets to run envelopes from the advanced high-capacity feeder tray. Every Versant press comes with a provided bracket stored on the side of the advanced high-capacity feeder tray. This bracket can be installed to help guide smaller runs of envelopes into the feeder. If you wish to run a high volume of envelopes, you would benefit from the addition of the optional envelope support kit. The envelope support kit includes 3 pieces, a bracket and 2 blocks. Each block from the kit is inserted into the bottom of the tray, leveling the envelope stack. This increases the number of envelopes that can be loaded into the tray and allows for better feeding. Like the provided bracket, the specially designed bracket for the optional envelope support kit fastens in place to center envelopes into the feeder. This bracket includes an extension that aids in reducing longer envelopes from skewing. No matter the tray you choose, we recommend loading envelopes with the flap closed and down. When loading for short edge feed, place the flaps facing either the front or back of the press, depending on your file orientation. When loading for long edge feed, place the flaps facing the lead edge. Never load the envelopes with the flap at the trail edge. Be aware of the number of envelopes you insert to maintain a level stack for reliable feeding when printing envelopes without the envelope support kit. After you've loaded your envelopes, adjust the paper guides appropriately to secure the envelopes in place. Once envelopes are loaded, you need to configure settings through the user interface. Because we're using the optional advanced high-capacity feeder tray, we have the option to use previously established settings for standard size envelopes through the Envelope Feeder button. Choose Change Settings, then choose Paper Size. Note that only standard envelope sizes are pre-established. Here, we are using number 10 envelopes, or 4.1 by 9.5 inches. Choose Save to exit the Settings menu, and then Save again. Choose Confirm to exit. On the Print Server screen, open Job Properties. Open Media, and first check that both the correct paper catalog and paper source are selected. Then, adjust your paper size to match your envelope size. Note that the height is measured from the lead edge to the trail edge of the envelope. For short edge feed, you should enter the long dimension of the envelope for the height. For long edge feed, you should enter the short dimension of the envelope for the height. Finally, adjust the paper weight to the weight of the envelope. If you're uncertain of the envelope's weight, double the GSM that the paper the envelope is constructed from identifies as. If no weights are known, enter a heavy weight, such as 220 GSM. Now, open the Finishing tab. Because many finisher paper paths cannot handle the small size of the envelope, select the High-Capacity Stack top tray, or Finisher top tray, as the output tray. Next, to avoid jams and damage that can occur from inversion, adjust the output delivery to face up, normal order. If desired, any common additional paper adjustments can be made. Otherwise, you're ready to print. The multi-sheet inserter may be preferred for running envelopes, depending on the volume and their size or type. Just like with the high-capacity feeder tray, be sure to load envelopes correctly, with the flap closed and down when printing from the multi-sheet inserter. The envelope feeder button is not available when running from the multi-sheet inserter. Instead, you will need to adjust the settings to match the envelopes you're using by choosing Change Settings. Note that in this example, we're defining the stock by its attributes, but you could instead create a custom stock and define by name via Admin and Preset Custom Sizes. Choose Custom Size and adjust to the desired size. Choose Save. Then choose Paper Type and Paper Weight to change the weight of your envelope. Again, keeping in mind the need to enter a heavy weight, such as 220 GSM, if you're not certain of the envelope's weight. Once you've finished your adjustments, choose Save to exit the Settings menu, choose Confirm to exit. Through the Print Server screen, complete the same adjustments as with the high-capacity feeder tray to prepare the file to print. And just like that, you can take advantage of high-capacity envelope printing and unleash your potential while maintaining a smooth flow of production. Visit Xerox.com to learn how Xerox Versant presses can help you do more for your business.